Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to schedule posts in Threads app using the free tools. Threads does not have a built-in scheduler yet, but you can still plan posts ahead with free third-party tools. First of all, what you're gonna do is pick a free scheduler. Download the Meta Business Suite, also called the Meta Business Manager, from the App Store. It's free and it is officially made by Meta. And then open the app and then log in with the app that you have logged in with your Threads, and then do all the things that Meta requires you to do. You don't need to remember multiple passwords, so you can either continue or you can say not now, and then that's it. Once your account is set, then go ahead and go to the business suite, and you have already created a business suite. Now what you're gonna do is tap on the plus button right over here, and then what you're gonna do is either post or media or whichever one you want to post. Let's say you want to post some sky pictures, so click on next, and then what you're gonna do is instead of clicking the publish, now you have to click on schedule for later. And let's say you want to post it the day after, so if it's today 14/17, then just go to Wednesday 24th September and the time 14/17. Or you can also choose the time in busy hours like lunch break hours or in the early mornings. Let's say you want it at exactly 12 o'clock, and that's it. Just click on done and then post schedule, and it will take some time. That's it. Safety tip: only use Meta's official free tool Business Suite. Avoid random thread schedulers online that ask for your password. They could steal your account. Quick fix: if you don't see Threads in the Business Suite, update the app and make your Threads account is properly linked with your Instagram in settings inside the Threads app. Now that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.